Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of newborn passport application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for birth registration for Indian citizenship. So in the checklist, just click on this link and it opens up Indian citizenship online portal. Just need to come down and in online services, click on section 4. Here, click on initiate application. So provide the same details that you have already given in the online application. Gender, birth date, birth country Australia, identity mark, and Australian mobile number. And in further details, select yes, name, occupation, you can select. So I'm going to click other professional, citizenship of India by birth, passport country India, and provide the passport number. Is mother an Indian citizen? Yes. Name, again select the profession, citizenship by birth, passport country, and provide mother's passport number. So in the applicant photo, you can upload the same photo of the baby. Just make sure that it's under 50 KB and it should be in JPG format. And for parent signature, both the parents should sign and you should upload that image here. It should be also under 50 KB and in JPG format. Once you have done that, you can enter the CAPTCHA and then click on save. Now you can click on next and it will take you to the next page. So here you have to enter the present address, which is the Australian address. So select country as Australia, enter the pin code here and then the home address and then town. Where you would like to submit your application, should it be Australia, and select the Indian Embassy. So based on your place of residence, you can select any one of them. For Brisbane, there is no option here, so you can select any of these options. I'm going to select Australia, Canberra here, and then enter the CAPTCHA. She is at QDE11V. And once that is done, click on update. Show successfully submit and click OK, and then click on next. So once it is done, it shows all the details here. You can just verify if it's all correct. You can just click on final submission. So modifications are not allowed after clicking on final submit, so just click on confirm here. So final submitted are successfully OK, and then you can click on download application. So once you take the printout of this application, just make sure that both the parents should sign in these two places. So this is all about the online birth registration. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next part where I will be covering the other forms that you need to submit along with these documents for the application.